Welcome to Nano Skill 1, Simple REST Service. This Nano Skill comes with 3 scripts and keynote presentation. All provided in GitHub with MIT license. Now let's quickly look at a big picture. We are making a simple service that will ask for a greeting URL, and return JSON Hello World. The service will be deployed via Spring Boot, and package into a Docker container. Let's look at Step 0, Prerequisites. We need to have Java, Gradle, and Docker installed. Docker daemon must be running. If you are missing any of these, please follow instructions provided on this slide to install. You can find all related installation links in the README file. I am going to execute Step 0 script, to check on prerequisites. Observe that all required software is found. We confirm that Java 1.8, Gradle 4.9 and Docker 18 are installed. Next, we need to get Spring application to build for the REST service. We put together a Step 2 script that will create a Java directory structure, add Gradle build file, and all related Java files. We are using the documentation provided by Spring, building a RESTful web service. I am going to execute Step 1 script and build the Spring application. The script will build and package the service into a jar file. Then it will run it, and check default and custom greeting. Observe that both tests have passed. Finally, we are going to package the service into a Docker container. Step 2 script will build a Docker image. To make it easier for you to build on top of this, the script will also generate build Docker image, start and stop scripts. I am going to execute Step 2 script and build the Docker container. The script will build and package the service into a Docker image. Then it will run it, and check for default and custom greeting. Observe that both tests have passed. To conclude this Nano Skill, I am going to start the Docker container again, and use the browser to perform both tests. I am going to navigate to the local host and greeting path. This will get a default Hello World JSON as a response. Now, I am going to add a parameter, name, with customer content user. This will get a custom Hello User JSON as a response. If you were to keep calling this service, keep in mind that the ID field will be increased since it is using unique request identification. All of the source and presentation files can be found at GitHub, see the links below. Please subscribe to leverage other nano skills, and make your time more valuable.